Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of your thumbnails of the images are not showing in the Windows 10 PC. The images preview is not showing in the Windows 10 PC. So first of all you need to go to the file explorer of your Windows 10. So or you can just go to this PC option here. So after going to the option you have to choose the view option here. Click on view option and then you have to go to the last option here, which is called option. Click on that and this window will open up, and then you have to go to the view option here second. Then you have to uncheck the option where you have always show icons never thumbnails. So you have to uncheck this option. If you check mark this option, so you have to uncheck this option, click apply, then click OK and check your images now. And now you can see it's showing the thumbnails of your all the images that you have. So that's how you fix your problem. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.